kind of oil are you guys looking for?
Vegetable.
Vegetable oil. Well, I'll tell you what, I wouldn't get this one because they actually put butane in there. You know what butane is? Butane is what I use in my lighter.
Cool.
So if you're gonna get that one, you're getting lighter fluid in your food.
Okay.
Yeah.
For all of those reasons, I'm out.
I wouldn't go that route.
Does it add taste to it though, or?
It helps propel the oil out. That's it.
You can notice the difference between that one and let's say this one.
Okay.
Olive oil.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Lard.
Yeah. Some people just don't care.